Alright, so I'm getting a few stings. These guys aren't happy. Need to fold up, crunch that up. Let's get the top back on these guys as soon as I can. Let's see what we can. Alright. I'm going to feed these guys a little bit now. These will be the last two hives I need to treat for mites with this treatment. These Mite away quick strips. Oh, heavy. Not bad, not bad. Calm them down a little bit more. Calm down, ladies. Alright, so there's still some goldenrod and some other resources out there to be gathered. Those guys, these guys here can get another couple of weeks worth of nectar and pollen from the asters and the goldenrod. Fill out what they can here. They're not having to worry about going up to a super now. It's no longer available to them. Let's see how these guys do. Need to blow these guys down, smoke them down. Okay.